My fans, watch how I want to solve this Olympiad math problem. So you get some things we go need apply. Remember, say if you get something like the square root of x, now the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 2. Even if you get x to the power of 1 over 2, now the same thing as the square root of x. You understand? So that means anywhere you see root 7 like this, we fit still put root 7 as 7 to the power of 1 over 2. Don't forget that one. Again, if you get something like 9, if you still put 9 as waiting, 3 raised to the power of 2. So if you get something like 49, if you still keep them as 7 raised to the power of 2. Don't forget that one. Okay, make we apply this knowledge to this question. Remember, say I fit solve this question in different way. Now, one of the ways be this. I fit even start and say multiply both sides of the equation, like square both sides of the equation. If I square both sides, square this side. I fit begin the work on now. Another way with that. But I want to use another format. So 49 now, I fit write them as 7 squared. So if I put 49 as 7 squared like this, remember say x minus 2 the outside here equal to 7 times, wetin bring 7 and square root of 7 together na multiplication, because 7 times square root of 7 will be 7 root 7. So you go separate them. Remember say root 7 now the same thing as this one. So 7 to the power of 1 over 2. Here now 1 power of 1. 7 raised to the power of 1 now still the same thing as 7. So I put 1 so that you're going to say, even if you don't put 1 day there. Good. So make you use this to multiply these two things here. We can get 2 times x, 2x, minus 2 times 2, 4, equal to. Here we apply product law of indices. The product law say if you they multiply the same number of the base, maybe here na n, say as the base they come on, take one of the base, add the power n plus n. So nice, if they multiply the same number of the base, I will take one of the common base and I will add the power 1 plus 1 over 2. Normally 1 plus 1 over 2 now 3 over 2. If we prove am, see am now. If I get 1 plus 1 over 2, remember say 1 na the same thing as 1 over 1. Plus 1 divided by 1 is same thing as 1. I just make this one fraction ahead. So the shortcut I want carry multiply be say I will use 2 multiply by 1. 2 times 1, 2, plus 1 times 1, 1. See as I do am. 2 times 1, 2, 1 times 1, 1, over 1 times 2, 2. So 2 plus 1 will give me 3 over 2. If you look for the LCM of 1 and 2 to carry and do your stuff, the one way is heavy. So yeah, I can get 7 to the power of 2x minus 4 equal to 7 to the power of 3 over 2. You get what they call exponential function or initial equation. That one say if you get a to the power of m equal to a to the power of n. As far as this one, they equate this one. When it say the base, they're the same, you go equate the power. If now the power where they the same, the base not going to be the same, you go equate the base. For here, as the base they common, you go equate the power. So I can take this one as 2x minus 4 equal to 3 over 2. It is flabby. I hope you don't like this video. As you watch reach this point, hit the like button. I beg you, hit the like button. If you watch reach this point, hit am. If you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Make we continue. Now at this point, you know say na x are defined. I want to come out this negative 4. And if I want to come out them, I go use plus 4. Plus 4. That means I go add 4 to both sides. If I add plus 4 here, I go still add plus 4 for this other side. So you see say minus 4 plus 4 now 0. 2x will come remain equal to 3 over 2 plus 4. See am? 3 over 2 plus 4. How I take solve this one? If you still make this 4 over 1, because 4 divided by 1 is still same 4. So I go use that shortcut I use. 1 times 3 now 3 plus 2 times 4 now 8 over 2 times 1 now 2. So 3 plus 8 now 11 over 2. So yeah, 3 over 2 plus 4 11 over 2. Remember say now x are defined. So if you divide both sides by 2, that's the same thing as divide both sides by 2. Say 2 over 1 na same thing as 2. I make over 1 so that it will be like fraction. Say these 2 and these 2 will cancel, remaining x. Therefore, x could be equal to, how I want to solve this one, 11 over 2 divide 2 over 1. How I want to solve that division of fraction. First thing you go do, change the division to multiplication. Immediately you change the division sign to multiplication, flip this term after division sign, turn it upside down. So I can get 11 over 2 times 1 over 2. Immediately I change division to multiplication, I turn this one upside down, I flip it. Therefore, x could be equal to 11 times 1 is 11 over 2 times 2 now 4. So the value for x now 11 over 4. I hope this video help you. Make you try like am now. Make you try subscribe to my channel. And make you try share am. Make other students learn. If you get any other method you want try, put them for comment section. And if you say enjoy am, talk sweet thing for me. Just talk. I will respond to you for comment section. Peace and love.